How to make powerful, organic fertilizers for plants at home. Collect banana peels. Save banana peels from your daily routine. You'll need a few peels for this fertilizer recipe. Fresh or dried peels work equally well. Banana peels are a treasure trove of nutrients for plants rich in potassium, magnesium, and sulfur. They can work wonders for your garden. Dry the peels. Dry banana peels in the sun or using a dehydrator crushed. Dried peels are easier to blend into soil or water. Make banana peel tea. Chop 2 to 3 banana peels into small pieces. Add them to a jar filled with 1 liter of water. Let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. Strain the liquid and use it as a fertilizer. Banana peel powder. Dry banana peels. Completely blend them into a fine powder. Add this powder to your potting mix or sprinkle it around plants. Banana peel compost. Add banana peels to your compost pile. They'll break down quickly, adding nutrients to your compost. Benefits of banana peel fertilizer: rich in potassium, promotes flowering and fruiting, magnesium and sulfur support overall plant health, improves soil structure and fertility. How to use banana peel tea as a foliar spray or soa drench. Add banana peel powder to potting mix or sprinkle around plants. Bury banana peels directly in the soil for slow release nutrients. Plants that love banana peel fertilizer: tomatoes, peppers, roses, flowering plants, fruit trees. Tips and precautions: use banana peels in moderation. Excessive potassium can harm plants. Balance banana peel fertilizer with other nutrients. Monitor plant response and adjust usage. Banana peels are an easy and eco-friendly way to help your garden thrive. Try this simple hack today. In gardening, there are many overcomplications of what should be a simple practice, and using kitchen scraps is a prime culprit. In this video, we have prepared an organic best fertilizer with banana peel. Also explained the method about how to make banana peel fertilizer at home. In this video, we have shown quick and easy way for making it. In this easiest method, we can prepare a free and potassium-rich organic fertilizer for all plants. Banana peel is very useful in gardening, so next time don't throw it and turn it into an organic fertilizer. This is a best natural fertilizer for all plants and help in getting more flower and fruits from plant. Banana peel or banana fertilizer is rich source of potassium, magnesium along with vitamin C and B6. These all minerals play a very wide role in development of any plant. Benefits: it helps plant to develop. In this channel, we always try to give you all gardening related information and suggestion. So please watch our channel regular to learn the creative way of organic gardening and also give your valuable opinion to improve more. You can steep the peels for up to a month to make a tea that is more acidic for plants that prefer acidic fertilizer such as blueberries. The banana water acts as a liquid fertilizer or compost tea, as well as a pesticide that will help repel garden pests like aphids. Plant the peels directly in the soil to drive away pests. Simply cut up a banana peel into very small pieces and then bury the chopped banana peels beneath the soil and off to the side of the plant. The smaller the banana peel pieces are, the better they will decompose. Effective homemade fertilizer using aloe vera leaf, banana peels, and herbal toothpaste. This mix provides plants with natural nutrients, growth stimulants, and some mild pest resistance.